Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? Please subscribe this channel if you want to earn money from crypto. Subscribe this channel, and after that, press the bell icon for videos notification. And this time, my friends, the Vechain price will pumps up 7.6%. I think it's a very good pumps, my friend, and definitely our price will be increasing if a holder are starting holding. But today, my friend, we will predicate this coin. We will do a technical analysis, and at the end, my friend, I share my opinion. So kindly, holder, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much. In this time, as you can see, my friend, the Vechain price will pump up, so that's very good news. And as you can see, my friend, the chart result, so definitely that's clearly to due to after this point they will fails down, but after that again they will pumps up. So holder, please try to understand to if an upcoming time, my friend, the Vechain price will pumping up. So it's a really good news, my friend, and I hope they will give you something very special and very good target. You know, especially in upcoming time, I'm 100% sure they will hit now 0.5 USD dollar. This is our price target. I hope this is easy, but if my friend, you can see here, if a holder will collaborate now, if a holder are starting selling, so definitely they will never hit this target. But if a holder are starting investing, so I'm 100% sure they will give you a profit. So see you next time. Vechain coin holder, please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.